Have you ever wondered how a simple mayonnaise-based sauce can transform seafood dishes into culinary masterpieces? Today we're diving deep into the world of Creole Remoulade. Creole Remoulade is a cold sauce that's similar to tartar sauce but often more yellowish and flavored with curry, pickles, horseradish, and mustard. The tangy taste of Creole Remoulade comes from ingredients like horseradish and Creole mustard. The heat can be subtle or ramped up with more Tabasco. This flavorful sauce combines creamy mayonnaise, Creole mustard, dill pickles, and horseradish to enhance the taste of seafood dishes. Creole Remoulade is a versatile sauce that pairs well with various seafood options. It's creamy, tangy, and easy to make at home. Adding fresh ingredients like parsley and scallions can contribute a delicate herbaceous note to the sauce, enhancing its flavor profile further. Now that you know how to create a delicious Creole Remoulade, you can elevate your seafood dishes and enjoy the complex flavors of this unique sauce. Have you tried making Creole Remoulade at home? Share your experiences in the comments. Now,